Hi, I'm Dee from DeeLovelyLife and welcome back to my channel. Alright, we're getting ready to grill.
Ready?
Yep. Okay, tell us what you're making.
These are what, ribeye steaks?
I don't know, I didn't look.
We got 2 ribeye steaks and we had it marinating
In what?
Yoshida sauce.
Check out Cooking with Jay if you want some more details about that marinade. Oh, but it's our favorite liquid marinade. You can use it for so many things. Oh my god, yes. So how long are you gonna cook these for?
Probably about 15 minutes. 2-3 minutes to one side, get the grill marks, flip it over. Another 2-3 minutes on the other side, get the grill marks, and switch it and get the cross hatching grill marks. And then, yeah, about 15 minutes altogether. Oh, I use the hook made by Easy Flip.
Nice.
I'm using the short one tonight.
A man with his tools. A man with his tools. What are your thoughts about people requesting another cooking segment with Jay?
I'm flattered.
Aww.
Thank you. I don't think it's I don't know. Never had that before, but I'll try my best.
So we have John and Chico. Hi John, if you guys are watching. He has his wife Linnea. He's the one who wrote me that really nice letter.
Oh, okay.
I believe he works in the meat department, right John? He really enjoyed your episode, the Cooking with Jay.
Oh.
So
Tenderizing it a little bit.
oh my god, it already smells delicious. As you guys saw, I went ahead and started some fresh broccoli. So we're gonna have fresh broccoli, and I also have some baked potatoes in the oven. So we're gonna have a really good dinner tonight. And what are you trying to get it to?
Nice medium. 150. Still want some pink.
And plus, isn't it gonna cook a little bit afterwards?
A little bit. This is a pretty thin cut. I think we're good. Grill marks. That's good.
Smells delicious.
This one.
Flame kissed.
Off. And that's it. Here we go.
Looks good. Smells good.
Still steaming. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Jay. Today we're doing a ribeye. We're doing it on the grill. I just started up the grill. It's running a little late. It's a little dark, but that's alright. I got my trusty headlamp. I highly recommend one of these. They're made by Streamlight. They're super bright, and they work good over the grill. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I got the grill heating up, sitting around 350. I got my ribeye steak that's been marinating for a couple hours, and it's at room temperature. And you can see it looks scrumptious. Throw it on the grill. Oh yeah. I got my trusty, dusty Easy Hook. So I'm just going to lift and lay. And there we go. Here it's sizzling. We'll let it cook for about 2 minutes on one side, then I'll flip it over, get the nice grill marks, flip it over. On the last one you saw me, I was using the Yoshida sauce. Came out real nice, real tasty. This time I'm using that Kinder's butter steak marinade.
Smells good.
Okay, my lovely wife found me a Anaheim pepper that I didn't know I had in the fridge. So now we're just gonna prep this at the last second. We're gonna do this real quick. And I'm gonna throw it on the grill. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of layer it with a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna grab a little Italian seasoning. So I wanna get this on the grill pretty quick. So a little Italian seasoning. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of garlic powder on both sides, a little bit of Italian seasoning, not too much. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up real quick. And from there I'm gonna throw it on the grill.
Oh, and then I also got a can of corn.
And we'll take that and we'll throw that on the grill. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes on the steak side. Nice grill marks. We're gonna throw that on there. Oh yeah, beautiful. Corn. I'm gonna put that on the side grill. We'll get that going. Put that on low. Turn down the heat a little bit. Okay, and it looks like it's juicing up real nice. Got some nice good grill marks going. We got our pepper on. We got our corn on. And we'll wait another 2 minutes and we'll flip it over.
And don't forget your proper barbecue attire.
Oh, I should have put on my Golden Knight chef shirt.
Oh, bummer. But also, side note, if you guys ever need a tutorial of replacing, what do you call these things? Your concrete dividers. We have a video about that too. I'll try to remember to link it somewhere in the description box. It smells really good.
Oh yeah, we're getting those nice grill marks. So now, I'm going to just flip it the other way.
Oh, I see. So this goes this way, now you're going that way.
Yep.
Ah.
It's all in the presentation.
Say that on camera?
I said I gotta impress my sweetie like I know what I'm doing.
Who taught you how to grill?
Well, my father didn't really teach me how to grill. Me did, kinda. He gave me the basics.
TV?
No, I think it was a lot of trial and error.
Yeah.
You know? I mean, even with the rubs, you were with me when we started doing the rub thing and stuff like that.
Well, yeah, I was with you.
Mm-hmm. Like when we went to the...
I'm still with you.
Yes, you are. I learned on my own. I really started getting interested in barbecuing when we went to that...
Oh, the fairgrounds. They had that barbecue festival.
Right. That's when I really started getting into it.
Yeah.
And then I saw all the different types of woods they were using and different types of rubs and sauces. Okay.
Okay. Placing this in the microwave to let it get happy. It smells delicious.
So now we're stripping our Anaheim pepper down, peeling the skin off, and we're getting the meat of the
chili.
The chili.
And then he's putting it into little strips like this. And it can go with the steak.
So now we let our steak rest for a few minutes, and I'm getting ready to cut into it. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, nice pink center. Nice pink center. That's what we want. We're going to cut a center slice here for Queen G. And I want to give her some of the good stuff. These ends, these ribeye ends are real good too. That's the tender stuff. So trim off a little bit of the fat there. But that end piece, that's real good stuff. Get these all cut up for her. Give her a little bit of the center section here. Hear the cat in the background. Anybody interested in buying a cat, let me know. A couple of these pieces. A little bit of corn right there at the bottom. Voila! There we have it. 15-minute grilling with Jay.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. A plate made for a queen.